Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Vina, owner of StudioVina.com, a website where you can learn to pole dance right at home. I've been creating pole dance tutorials online for over a decade now. I'm 42 years old and I have 4 amazing boys. My website is super unique and I love it. It's something that my husband developed just for me. It allows me to teach people of any age, any physical fitness level, and any gender how to pole dance. It doesn't matter your fitness level. You don't even need a pole to get started. I love creating online tutorials. I also really have a passion for creating video, turning pole dance into pieces of art with music that I really enjoy. So you can find both of those things here on my channel. And I'm excited to see you here. Subscribe and click the link. Bye.